In an ideal world, smelling amazing all the time would be effortless, but in reality it takes a little effort. People who always smell great don't just leave a trail of heavenly scent. They've mastered a few key habits and rely on long-lasting, fragranced products to keep them fresh. Smelling great every day takes more than just spritzing on your favorite perfume, though that's a great start. If you want to unlock the secret to smelling good all day long, we've got you covered. Here are 5 simple tips, along with some of our favorite scented products, to keep you smelling fresh from morning till night. Step 1. Start fresh with the shower, washing your body. The journey to smelling great begins the moment you step into the shower. Let the hot water open your pores and wash away all the grime from the day. Use Dove Deeply Nourishing Body Wash to get rid of dirt while leaving your skin feeling smooth and lightly scented. Washing your hair. Don't forget your hair. Use Head & Shoulders cool menthol shampoo to cleanse your scalp and hair, leaving behind a fresh, minty scent that lingers. Clean hair equals a clean base to build that amazing scent. Step 2. Lock in moisture for lasting freshness. Body lotion. After the shower, towel off and lock in that moisture. Apply Nivea Cocoa Butter Body Lotion to keep your skin hydrated, soft, and smelling amazing. Hydrated skin holds scent longer, so you'll feel fresh throughout the day. Step 3. Apply deodorant for confidence. Deodorant smelling great doesn't stop with your shower and lotion. It's time to layer on the freshness with deodorant. Go for Axe Signature Intense Deodorant. Its bold, long-lasting scent will give you confidence, sticking with you through even the busiest days. Step 4. Add a personal fragrance. Fragrance. Now, it's time to finish strong. Grab your Villain Hydra perfume or Plum Body Mist Vanilla Vibes and apply it to your pulse points, wrists, neck, and behind your ears. These areas will enhance the fragrance naturally as your body heats up. A little goes a long way, so don't overdo it. Just enough to leave a subtle yet unforgettable trail. Step 5. Complete the routine with lifestyle habits. Fresh breath is key, so keep your mouth fresh with Colgate Total toothpaste and Listerine Cool Mint mouthwash. Clean, freshly laundered clothes always make a huge difference too. They'll enhance your fragrance and leave a lasting impression. Healthy habits. Hydrate well, eat clean, and your body will naturally smell great. A healthy body is a fresh body, and it shows in your scent. Smelling great isn't just about luxury, it's about consistency and leaving a lasting impression. Make these 5 simple steps part of your daily routine, and soon you'll be the person everyone remembers the moment you walk in.